So let's just talk about modules in Node.js. So in Node.js, every file is considered as a module. Like an example, we have the file 1, we have the file 2 and the file 3. Now these three files will be considered as three different modules. Now that means we can create variables like one variable city. So we can create one variable with the same name in the other file also. So here also we can have the city variable, and in the file 3 we can create one variable with the same name, and that is possible because of this module. So each file is a different module, so this will prevent the namespace collision. So with the help of this modular system, we can break down our application into several smaller manageable parts for easier development, and this ensures that we have a clean code organization. Now in Node, we have three types of modules. We have the local module. So local modules are those modules that we create in our application. And also we have built-in module. So the built-in modules are those modules they are shipped by Node.js. And also we have the third-party module. So these are the modules they are developed by other developers, and we can use those modules in our application. So these are the three types of module in Node.js. And also in Node.js we have the module object. So if we console log module, so here you can see we have the module object. So the module is one JSON object, and inside the module we have the ID, we have the path, and also we have this export object. So we can use module.export, and we can export variables and functions from one module, and eventually those can be used in other modules. So hope you understand about modules in Node.js. So we'll see you in the next one. Take care.